Welcome back to my channel, Invest with Chikwesri. Here in this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing with you smart investment ideas using investment tools and platforms like the stock market, real estate, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, treasury bills, and others. Today, I want to share with you the smartest way I make money using the stock market, not your conventional methods. This simple rule applies to any stock market you can ever think of, be it Nigerian stock market, Wall Street, London stock market, and so on. You can use this simple but powerful strategy to cash out from any stock market you can ever think of. That is why I always advise investors to always update themselves with the latest information in town. Stop investing like your fathers. They were using the strategy of buy, keep for a long time, and then sell for gain, that keep talking down on stock markets because they lost their monies, which they later realized that inflation has eaten up the value of their monies at the point of selling their stocks. This is why if you must succeed in stock market today, you must master the act of learning and keep on learning. Of course, that's why I'm here for you. I'm not stingy with updates. You can always check out for my video in this channel, Invest with Chikwesri, every Wednesday for new updates. Back to what I was saying. We are all here to make money, and for you to make money using the stock markets, there are basically three conventional methods. In this video, I'll be sharing the three conventional methods you can use to make money from the stock market. The fourth one is going to be my secrets. And I'm sure after hearing this my so-called secret, your stock market investing is going to change for good. So the number one way of making money through the stock market is capital gains. Capital gains is simply the profit you realize when your stock selling value is higher than the buying value. For instance, let's assume that the cost of purchasing a unit of a stock is $1, 1 naira or 1 pound. In short, let's use dollar as an explanatory value. Who doesn't like hard currencies? Me, I like it, so I don't know about you. So let's get back to business. So let's assume that you bought a unit stock of company A at the cost of $1 and then you are selling it for $2. That means you are making a capital gain of $1. Of course, you know that the capital gain or capital gains are always taxable. So this scenario means that by earning $1, it means that you have already earned a capital gain of $1 multiplied by the total number of units of stocks you were able to acquire. So let's assume you were able to buy 100 units. 100 units of this particular company. So it means you have made 100 units times $1. So that will be about $100. So with this, we can say that capital gains is one of the ways of making money through the stock market. And this will take us to the next one, dividends. Dividend is a portion of a company's profit that is paid out to its shareholders. You must know that shareholders may receive their dividends in cash or even in stock allocation. Some companies may decide to pay dividends to its shareholders in every quarter or 2 times in a year, or as may deem it fit by the management of that particular company. Here, the most important thing is that the company is sharing its profit with its shareholders. This will go a long way in boosting the investors' confidence in that particular organization. For instance, if company A pays dividends of $2 to its shareholders, this shareholder will be earning $2 multiplied by the total number of units he or she had acquired. That is, for instance, let's assume that this particular shareholder has 100 units of this company's stocks. So it's going to be $2 times 100 units. That means this particular investor or shareholder will be going home with a total of $200 as dividends. You want to make money through dividend, right? This is one of the reasons you must stay glued to this channel, because I will soon be doing a video of the top 10 dividend paying companies in Nigeria. You can't afford to miss that video. And the next way of making money through the stock market is what I call the shareholders' kicks or tips. This is a situation where the stakeholders decide to reward themselves with some levels of kickbacks or tips. It can be likened to when you hit or cash out from a good investment and you decide to take yourself on a trip or any form of relaxation, be it the cinema or any kind of relaxation at all. But in this case, the company decides to reward its shareholders by telling them thank you for always being there for us and always being there no matter the situation or turbulence. This is normally done when the profit margin hits beyond expectation. These kickbacks may come in form of cash rewards or allocation of more stocks to this particular subscriber, which the subscriber may decide to convert to cash for enjoyment or other purposes they may deem fit. Finally, the one I promised to reveal to you that will change your stock investing life, I call it intermittent share capital gains. That is intermittent share capital gains. I must confess to you, this has made me lots of cool cash. In this scenario, I'm not committed to a particular stock for a long period of time. Don't get it twisted that I can't keep to or be committed to a longer relationship. I'm only in stock markets to make money and nothing else. So I take my time to study the character or volatility of a particular stock, its market capitalization, and how often the price moves. The lowest and highest the price has moved for the past 2 to 3 months. If I'm satisfied that the stock I'm monitoring moves a lot, then I will buy it when it is at its lowest range and sell it when it's at its highest range. For instance, within a period of 2 months, I made more than 2 million naira from Zenith Bank, Nigeria. I bought this particular stock when it was 50 naira and then I sold it when it was 76 naira. So I was able to make myself a total profit of 26 naira per unit of these stocks. So now if you multiply 26 naira, that is 26 naira times the total number of units of this particular stocks called Zenith Bank Nigeria, then you will imagine the total amount of money I was able to cash out from this particular stock. I was able to achieve this within a period of 2 weeks, and the beautiful aspect of it is that I later bought these stocks again at the rate of 70 naira. So as of the time of making this video, this particular stock is already sold at a unit price of 76 naira. So as of today, I'm already making 6 naira times the total volume or the total units I was able to buy. I adopted this same strategy of intermittent share capital gains precisely on the 29th of July 2025 when Figma, a US company, did their initial public offerings. I bought this particular stock when it was sold for it was sold for $103 per unit, and then I sold it the same day at the total cost of $120 per unit. So I was able to make myself $17 per unit of this stock. So if you multiply $17 times the total number, let's assume I was able to buy 100 units of this particular stock. So that means I'll be making $1,700. That is about 2,600,000 naira profit in Nigerian currency, and all these things were happening within just a day. So that is why I told you I don't like buying a stock like our fathers bought and keeping it for a longer time. I monitor my investment and know how to reposition my portfolio in order to make these massive profits. You see, that is my secret of making extra cash from the stock market, apart from the conventional ways of dividends and share capital gains. Please, if you are seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And always remember not to take any video in this channel as an investment advice. I use them only for education and entertainment purposes. Always ensure to do your due diligence. I will see you next Wednesday. Bye for now.